Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys is that they have really long trunks, and that's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say.
Hi YouTube, this is Chad and Steve. We're the co-founders of the site, and we just want to say thank you. Today we have some exciting news for you. We've been acquired by Google.
Yeah, thanks to every one of you guys that have been contributing to YouTube, the community. We wouldn't be anywhere close to where we are without the help of this community. Thanks a lot.
We're going to stay committed to developing the best service for you. Developing the most innovative service and tools and technologies so you can keep having fun on our site.
The most compelling part of this is being able to really concentrate on features and functionality for the community. We've certainly been listening to the problems that have been coming in, surfacing on the customer service as well as the developer front, and we're definitely keen on just reorganizing all of our efforts and energy back into building out the community and resolving these problems that you guys have been having.
And this is great. Two kings have gotten together, and we're going to be able to provide you an even better service and build even more innovative features for you. I don't know. Just keep going. Two kings.
What does it mean for the user community?
Get your hand off me. Kings.
Two kings have gotten together. No, the king of search, the king of video have gotten together. We're gonna have it our way. Salt and pepper. No. You can't do that. Go ahead.